Hi, I'm A.M. Grabelny, joined here by Austen Collins, CEO and founder of Serverless Incorporated, creators of Serverless Framework. You want to give us a rundown, Austen, about what Serverless Framework is?
Yeah, sure. Thanks for having me. I've been an engineer kind of all my life, and really just a developer that wants to build cool things and build as much as possible, right?
Yeah.
So when AWS came out with Lambda back in 2014, I thought like this compute service could be the main compute service of the cloud one day. It's kind of like has everything that you're looking for in a compute service: microservices, event-driven, paper execution. And I thought to myself, if there's a way to build entire applications exclusively on Lambda, you could build applications really, really easily with remarkably low overhead. And at the time, it was really early, and there wasn't a serverless movement or anything like that. So I created a project called the Serverless Framework, and the Serverless Framework kind of helps show people how to architect an application on Lambda, and how you could build all types of applications and use cases on Lambda to deliver that software that has really low overhead. And for me, that was like the best thing, because I just want to build, 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 and not have to maintain as much too, right? Yeah. So the Serverless Framework came out, and what it does is just give people that ability to deliver software with really low overhead, software that scales automatically, as paper execution too. So it doesn't charge you anything until people actually use it. So that's the big value add of Serverless Framework, and it makes that super easy.
Cool. So I'm one of those people that you helped, actually. I've been using Lambda serverless architecture since about 2015 or so, and been using Serverless Framework the same time frame, right? You've seen a lot. I've seen a lot over the span of serverless, right? And lots of things are changing. What do you see as the future of serverless? What things are you expecting?
Yeah, it's been a surreal ride since the beginning. I mean, before, when we got started, there was no serverless trend. No one was saying anything like that.
It wasn't even a word, right?
Yeah. And it was very controversial too. It was very like, people are like, serious? Are you really calling it that and all that, right?
Yeah.
And now it's like mainstream top technology trend. So our view over at Serverless Inc., it's a company that I run. We make tools for teams just looking to operationalize serverless development, everything they need from deploying their serverless applications to monitoring them. Our view is that serverless isn't separate from the cloud, it is the cloud. Right? It's the natural evolution of the cloud. And when you log into AWS in the future, all those services are going to increasingly be serverless, as well as a lot of new services. And composing them together to make outcomes faster than ever is going to be like the new way we build applications. So we're preparing for that over at Serverless Inc. We're updating the framework every single day. We're about to hit 30,000 GitHub stars and all that. We're just coming out with Serverless Framework Enterprise right now too. So
I was going to ask what's new, like what's happening at Serverless Inc. next.
Yeah, a lot of people told us they're like, hey, serverless architectures are really powerful. We want to deliver software with low overhead, but it's a whole architectural shift, and we need tooling to help us every step of the way to develop the application, deploy it, monitor it, all that stuff. So we have one solution out of the box. When you run serverless, when you use the Serverless Framework open source and you deploy it, you get monitoring, you get secrets management, you get everything you need to fully manage your serverless application, like across its life cycle, just immediately without configuration on deployment.
Exciting. Well, thank you so much, Austen. It's been great having you here. I hope you enjoy the rest of your time here at the summit.
Likewise, thank you.